I know, and I'm not surprised because Congress party, they have never respected either Constitution or Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. These are the people who have insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar during his lifetime. Though Dr. Ambedkar ji has done tremendous job under the leadership of then Prime Minister Modi, then Prime Minister Nehru, they put all effort to defeat and saw that he did not come to the parliament. This is the track record of the Congress party. After that, we have seen many times how Indira Gandhi bulldozed the constitution, how Rajiv Gandhi in Shabanu case, how he bulldozed, all such things we have seen. Now, truth has come out from the mouth of D.K. Shivakumar, Deputy Chief Minister. They want Constitution to be changed. They are not bothered about SC, ST and OBC. They are bothered only about Muslim community on the basis of religion. Supreme Court has very categorically said, on the basis of religion, you cannot give the reservation, and that is a discrimination under Article 15(1). So, this is all Congress party's agenda for their vote bank. But till BJP is there, we are very much committed to the constitutional norms, constitutional provisions, constitutional values, and also we are reservation will be the for weaker section, that is SC, ST and OBC. And till Bharatiya Janata Party is there in this country, we will not allow to touch the reservation by this Congress party, because we are committed that equality among the society it should come. That's why we are always for the reservation and giving to only to the Muslim. The reservation of the SC, ST, OBCs will be affected, and I condemn the Congress attitude and the Karnataka Congress government attitude. We are for the reservation for SC, ST and OBC.
Sir, but he said that his statement has been twisted. He never said that.
What he has said? Why he should say that? He has said there will be reservation for the Muslims, and I am hopeful that Constitution will be changed. That is what he has said. It is in the blood of the Congress party that they are never respected the constitutional provisions and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.